Here we have a 2025 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck with side ramp and dressing room. The Gore is a steel chassis, so the main base of the trailer only is steel. It has an aluminum frame and aluminum skin, a molded fiberglass roof, and that is going to keep this trailer much cooler than an aluminum roof. And this particular trailer has a treated wooden floor. That's the Gore standard, is the treated wood with rubber mats. As you can see, it has a hydraulic jack with deep cycle marine battery, full-size spare mounted there underneath the nose with a Gore tire cover. Good 5-foot dressing room. I don't think I mentioned the trailer is 7'6" tall, 79 inches wide, and 17 feet on the floor. So this is a 5-foot dressing room. 2 saddle racks, bridle hooks, blanket bar, clothing bar there in the roof, nice carpeted nose, and a nice boot box here. Super handy. Camper style door with screen door, and a nice wide running board. I love how wide these Gore running boards are. It makes it super easy to get in and out of these trailers, especially when you're carrying a load. Nice wide side ramp. Your horse area is 12 feet long. It's going to be a standard 7 feet from breast bar to bumper, and then 5 feet of headroom to accommodate that side ramp. We've got 2 pop-up roof vents, some tie loops there on the front wall, tie loops over the door and the side ramp, and a tie loop on the center divider post. We've got a removable center divider. The divider is padded sidewall, padded breast and butt bars, nice thick wall rubber. Again, rubber mats on the floor of the dressing room and the horse area. Diamond plate on your fender and your running board. That keeps those from getting banged up quite so easily. Keeps them from getting scratched up, having that diamond plate. 16-inch steel wheels. I love these black wheels that Mr. Gore does. They really set off the black stripes on the trailer. That side ramp has a top curtain with sliding window and a load light over the side ramp. We also have a load light over the rear ramp. Again, rear ramp with top curtains with sliding windows. I love how low these ramps are to the ground. Makes it really easy for the horses to get in and out. They're not steep at all. And you'll see in a second how light that is for me to lift up. Again, that fiberglass roof, that's going to be so nice and cool in the summertime when the sun's beating down on that trailer. You've got long sliding hip windows, sliding window on the full-size escape door on the street side of the horse there. Again, that folding running board makes it easy to get up there and enter and exit the trailer. I'll show you this nice light rear ramp. Super easy to get that thing closed with just one non-dominant hand. Gore uses these black latches everywhere. They're all keyed alike, so if you want to lock that whole trailer up, you certainly can. Again, a 16-inch wheel. So a steel chassis. Steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, fiberglass roof, treated wooden floor, 7'6" tall, 79 inches wide, and 17 feet on the floor. This 2025 Gore 2-horse straight-load gooseneck with side ramp is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photographs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.